Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick review of Bistro on NCL Escape. Come with us and check it out. Hi everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we're just a small travel agency that tries to give you the best information possible about cruising. If that sounds good, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and join us here on this journey. Today, we're going to give you a little review of the Bistro on NCL Escape. As we wander down here, deck 6, we're going to come out to 678 Place, which is this beautiful lit up area by this amazing chandelier. And as we come right out here, you're going to see Bistro right in the middle as the centerpiece here. Bistro is a beautiful French-inspired restaurant. As you can see, you can eat out here on the, let's call it the promenade in 678 Place. And then as you walk into Bistro, you can see that it's an elegant restaurant. It is specialty dining, so it is not included in your cruise fare. You can get a dining package, or you could eat here a la carte. Wouldn't recommend that. So then as you see out here, really beautiful where you could sit out in front of the restaurant. Then we're going to go in. We're going to have a wonderful dinner. You can see they serve Veuve here. They have a partnership with Norwegian. So we sit down. We're going to get some bread to start. It is delicious. They give you the beautiful French butter there that is soft and ready. I got these scallops here, which were really, really excellent. I can't say enough about the food on Escape. We were on Joy a few months ago, and the food on NCL Escape just blew away the food on NCL Joy. Meg got the escargot, got a little French onion soup as a second. Meg got the beet croquettes there. I got the filet, which is the first time I've done that in a while. It was spectacular. Meg's carrots, she had duck, and the carrots were incredible. Then we had our little desserts here that were excellent as well. So let's talk a little bit about Bistro on NCL Escape. The restaurant is excellent. It is French-inspired food, so it's going to be a little fancier than your normal restaurant. It is included if you have a dining package or you get 1 or 2 specialty dinings if you do NCL's Free at Sea, which is a great idea. So I highly recommend it. We had some good wine. We had amazing food. The food there is definitely a notch up from anywhere else on the ship, in my opinion. Their steak there is the best steak on the ship. It's better than Cagney's, in my opinion. Remember, food's very subjective. So for all the people that watch this and they're like, well, I don't like escargot and I don't like duck, that's totally fine. Food is super subjective, so this is just our opinion on the restaurants, trying to give you a little bit of an informed decision-making capability on what restaurants you would like to try. So I always say if I had, I try to rank them as if I had 1 specialty dining credit, I would go to Teppanyaki, which is the hibachi restaurant, just because it's fun. If I had 2, Bistro by far is the best restaurant on the ship. Next up would probably be Ocean Blue, and then so on and so forth. We're going to review each of the specialty dinings for you, which you could check out on the channel here in the upcoming days. But Bistro is definitely my go-to spot if you're celebrating something like a birthday, an anniversary, your honeymoon. This would be my choice for you to go have a really wonderful meal. It is quiet. It's a little more extravagant. This is a place where you would want to get a little more dressed up. NCL is pretty freestyle, so there's no need to be dressed up. You do have to wear a collared shirt as a gentleman. You cannot wear shorts, obviously. They don't really enforce the rules super strictly. I did see people there in like a regular shirt, not like a sweater, not so much, but they looked nice. So I think if you look nice, as long as you look nice, you're going to be fine. But again, highly recommend if you enjoy a nice meal out and you're celebrating something special, this is definitely the place to do it. Go check it out. Let me know what you think about Bistro. Have you been there before? If you have, what is your favorite dish there to order? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and come along on this traveling journey with us. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.